Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2019. It's the second match in round one, and the scores are Holy Childhood High on 21 points, Excelsior High on 17 points. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please. The first question comes from Bible knowledge. To what city was Saul traveling when he encountered Holy Childhood?
Damascus.
Correct. A great and blinding light. Biology. What is the heat energy produced when the human body metabolizes 1 gram of fat? Excelsior?
1 calorie.
Incorrect. 39 kJ or 9.3 kcal. English language. Correct the errors or error, if any, in this sentence. My parents refuses to allow me to attend Holy Childhood.
Refuses to be refused. Refusing should be refused.
Except that the question was not completed. And the rest of it would be to attend the party, but everybody are going, and are should be is. International affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor, identify this person. Excelsior.
New Zealand. Actually?
Christine Lagarde, IMF Managing Director. Chemistry, which scientist discovered the atomic nucleus? Excelsior.
J.J. Thomson.
James Chadwick?
J.J. Thomson.
J.J. Thomson.
Incorrect. Ernest Rutherford. Music, an audio question. Please listen. Listen to the clip, identify the artist. Holy Childhood.
Sam Smith.
Correct. General knowledge. What is the title of the national anthem of Trinidad and Tobago? Holy Childhood.
Forged from the love of Trinity.
No, I'm sorry. Forged from the love of liberty. Spanish. What does the Spanish word la boleta mean? A ticket, receipt, or ballot. Geography. What is the name of the lowermost layer of the atmosphere? Holy Childhood.
Troposphere.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. Look at the clip. Identify this person. Liam Neeson. Information technology. What is the name of a small input device with 1 or more buttons used for painting or drawing on a computer? Holy Childhood.
Mouse.
Correct. History. Zaire is the former name. Excelsior.
The answer is
Former name of which African country? The answer would be Democratic Republic of the Congo. Mathematics. What is the name of the middle value of a set of ascending and Holy Childhood?
Median.
Yes, descending values. Physics. What is the name of frequency below 20 hertz? Holy Childhood.
Critical frequency.
Incorrect. Infrasonic. Sports, a visual one. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Excelsior?
Roger Federer.
Yes. Jamaican heritage. In what year did the British capture Jamaica from Spain? Holy Childhood.
1655.
That is correct. Translate the following sentence to English. C'est une nouvelle année. Excelsior?
It is a new year.
No, this is a new year. Literature. Give the birth name of the author of the 1867 novel Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Holy Childhood.
Say it. Charles Dodson Ludwig.
No, Charles Ludwig Dodgson. And that's the bell. the final bell, the end of the final challenge, the end of the match. And the scores are Holy Childhood High on 25 points, Excelsior High on 9 points.